Hey all, thanks for tuning in. My name is Aditya Maladi. I am the head of mobile engineering here at Keyri, and in this video I'm briefly going to demonstrate how to integrate Keyri with Supabase using a Flutter application. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to open up Terminal and create a directory for the project. We'll just go ahead and call it Flutter example. Navigate into it, and then run flutter create to actually create an application. And we will call it flutter_Keyri. Okay, that's done. Now I'm just going to navigate into this new project and run it just to make sure that Flutter and the project have been configured properly. And I'm going to pick Mac OS. And if everything worked properly, we should receive a demo application, the default Flutter demo app, which is basically just a button with a counter. And yeah, everything looks to be working. Now I'm going to go to the web app that we created in the previous video and just create a new user. And I'll be using this user to sign in through the mobile app that we're building now. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is that I created a simple button. All this button is going to do is go through the entire Keyri flow, from scanning the QR code to creating the session and actually sending off the required information. In this process, we are also going to handle signing in with Supabase. This easy Keyri auth function, which is defined below, is really the entire core to using both Keyri and Supabase together. First, what we do is just instantiate the Supabase client and sign in. Now in this case, we're just hard coding the user that we created a little bit earlier. In a real world example, obviously you would get it from a text field or an account picker or something like that. We're going to then take that response and grab the refresh token from the data. That refresh token is all we have to pass to Keyri, and we're configuring it in the payload like this. This is the format. I know it's a little difficult to figure out what's going on here, but basically we're just creating a single variable JSON. Refresh token is the variable, and we're passing in the actual refresh token that we get from Supabase. Then all we do is call the easy Keyri auth function from the Keyri SDK using the app key that we configured above, the payload that we just configured, and the same user ID that we used to sign in. The auth result is then used. In this case, all we're doing is just displaying a little banner that says, hey, look, we successfully authenticated, or if something went wrong, we show what happened. That's it. That's really it. It's really, 15 lines of code that gets the whole thing done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put everything that we just built together. As you can see on my iPad, which is on the screen, I'm going to push the Easy Keyri Auth button to scan the code on the web app. I'm going to accept the prompt, and we are in. It's really that simple. If you are curious to actually take a look at the sample code or even play with the sample app, feel free to go to our GitHub linked below, and you can also leave any questions either in the comments or on the GitHub, and we will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching.